Okay, so I'm just gonna go in real quick. I do want to upgrade my stuff, but I can't go any further without recording it. So let's see what's around here. When I was coming back out, I noticed that. That's a nanotech boost. Come on, it's right there. Oh, fine. I might have just figured out a way to get up there. Damn it! There we go. The what? Oh. Sweet. So close. This is a decent place to farm. And there it goes. Now we have the Mega Turret Glove. Wow, that's powerful. I'm gonna keep farming until I can get a couple more weapons, maybe one or two more. Alright, I now have enough, Alright, I now have enough, fucking whatchamacallit, bolts to get the mini rocket tube and the spider bot glove. The hover bomb gun I got after I visited Planet Tadano. So that leaves this, and this left to purchase. All of which are hella expensive. I mean, this one isn't nearly as expensive, but it still costs a lot. I would need, I think I'd need, 100, 150. I'd need like 3,000, I'd need like 320,000 bolts to get all these. Okay, 440,000 bolts. That's hella expensive. But, I suppose it's not all bad. Now, the spider bot glove, that's gonna come in handy. You might be asking why. Let me show you. let's see how this works. Holy shit. Holy god. This thing is awesome. Dynamo. Wow, mini rocket tube is the shit. Like, oh my god. How could that possibly be improved anymore? Wait, no, that's the dynamo. That's the dynamo. That's not the swing shot. I almost did an oopsie. You guys really do work well as a team, but you don't work well with coordination. Now, you might notice that the EXP I'm getting for my weapons isn't nearly as much, and I believe that's because this is a planet I've already visited and I've already dealt with these enemies before, so it considers the enemies to be worthy of less experience, which I don't really mind since I'm just kind of trying to blaze through them. Okay, so one of those things I picked up is worth 500 bolts, and one of the other ones is worth 100. Now, I need to find... Can I not just... Ow! Apparently I can't just swing shot from there. Ow! Fucking punk! Jerk! I'm pretty sure there was an enemy once that even if you blew up the top part of it, the bottom part of the enemy would still, like, try to kick at you. I can't remember if that was in a Ratchet and Clank game or not. Jump. Alright. Spider-Bot Glove. This has to be one of the coolest weapons. Well, maybe not the coolest, but it's pretty damn cool. That's why it's the damn coolest. Where's that door? Was it over? Oh, hi. Alright. Go get him, Parker. Sorry, that's what you get. Don't mess with the Lombax. And I'll gladly take that with me. That's all I really came here for. Leap. The plasma coil is definitely powerful. I guess the more expensive a weapon is, the more powerful it is. Alright, back to Todano. Or Todano, whatever you want to call it. I hear my mom cooking in the kitchen. Also, I want to go this way real quick. Cause, I want to go this way real quick, because there is something that we can't exactly do much about right now, but we can most certainly see what's around here. Switch this with the tractor beam.
When using the tractor beam, try strafing to better position objects. To strafe, hold L2 or R2 while running.
Well, hi there. You're cute. Ah, an inspector bot. Now, if I recall... Actually, that's insanely useful. Strafing. Whoa! The music here is really nice. Go get him, Parker. No? What? Oh, hey. Uh-huh. What did I just do? Oh God. Alright. Go get him. How many of you is this gonna take? Is he dead? He's dead. Well, hi.
Captain Quark, completing quality control on Super Electro Gadget. Hammer of power detecting no defects. Ratchet averted. I knew this day would come. Draw your last enemy mine, for I smite you in the name of Captain Quark! Sweet death, at last we meet. Nobly, I fall on the field of battle. Finish me, Lombax!
Come on, Clank. Let's get going.
Wait! You shamed the greatest superhero who ever lived! You owe me something.
What do you want from us, sir?
Ooh! How about some cool Quark stuff from your galaxy? Trade for this armor magnetizer.
I believe that device is designed to attract bolts.
I don't have a Captain Quark collectible, but I'll get one for you and bring it back. Sound fair? Okay. I'll be back, buddy. Once I find out where the fuck I get a Captain Quark collectible, because I have no idea. I remember a lot of stuff about this game, but not everything. That is most certainly not one of the things I remember. I'm noticing a bunch of platforms over here. Also, I want to say that kid is the absolute nerdiest kid that has ever nerded. Oh, I see. Also, definitely a worthy value of going after a core collectible for a fucking armor magnetizer, because believe you me, there's nothing I love more than collecting bolts from a bigger distance. That's one of my absolute favorite things in a Ratchet and Clank game. Oh. You want a piece of me, huh? I will take out every single one of you until there's none of you left. Alright, we're good. Can I blow you up? No. What are you inspecting, by the way, if I may ask? Because I got no fucking clue. Ooh! That should do it. Nope, I didn't want to do that. No, I didn't want to do that either. Okay, maybe I should just... I don't know what those are. Fuck. God damn it. Where was I supposed to take it? Oh, in there. God damn it. Well, at least I know how to get the platinum bolt when I come back. For now, let's grab you. I was almost about to push him into the laser field. That would have ended badly. I'm really glad I didn't. Now, I think that this actually does offer a free weapon in this area. Now, I don't know if it's this area or the other, but there is a free weapon you can pick up, and I can't quite recall where it is. I love puzzles like this. Beep, 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 boom. Oh, I see. Oh. Does it come back? It does. Thank God it moves at the speed of a Lombax. Coming! Sorry, I was called for dinner. Ooh. Okay, how do we do this? Oops. Chunk. Alley-oop. Beep, 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 boom. Oh. Timing was a bit off. Oh, god damn it. Why you no climb? Oh, the lasers are turned off. Mini rocket tube! 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 Man, this thing is... How can this weapon possibly become any more powerful? Like... I don't know where I think I got spider belt glove ammo from a ammo crate somewhere. I know exactly where I need to take this. Ah, crap. Fuck. Only one thing to do. Well, to be fair, I already killed these enemies, so I'm not going to get all that much experience from them. Oh, they shoot missiles now. Well, ain't that something? Yeah, that'll teach you to mess with me. Crap. Go, Spider-Bot Glove! That was a perfect throw. Boop! Do-do-do-do-do. Give. That's like the second time it didn't do the animation. I think that's just the camera looking at me. Fuck. God damn it. That's the second time on this planet it didn't do the animation. I don't know why. Maybe it's because the area was too small to do it or something. Or maybe it's just bugging out. I don't know. Wait, what am I walking for? That's more like it. I forgot I had those. Alright. Refractor beam. Oh, it didn't get pushed. There we go. I don't know if those lasers were capable of instantly killing me, or if I was low enough on health to... You guys aren't very bright. And because of that, I'm gonna make you look even more stupid. Wow, it actually instantly kills them. Man, you guys suck. Say hello to my little friends. Alley-oop. That's the thing I want. What have you got for me? The Sheepinator. Now you know why all of these sheep are around here. Oh, those aren't my turrets. Now the question is, were those sheep employees, or were they enemies? Were they enemy employees? Were they employee enemies? Let's turn a squirrel into a sheep. No. I fucked up. Oh no, wait, no. Now the only problem here is, because the Sheepinator does not use ammo, you pretty much can't tell when, you know, you really can't tell how full the bar is until you go to quick weapon select. Also, it makes the goofiest sound. Ah! Ooh, spooky. Alright, I'm actually near a Gadgetron vendor. I'm gonna go ahead and buy my ammo, end off the episode, and I'll continue it next time. So I'll say ahead of time, until next time everyone, in the next episode of Ratchet and Clank Going Commando, we're gonna go ahead and continue going through the Megacorp Armory. I keep wanting to call it Megacore, but it's Megacorp because there's no S, so it's not Megacore. Spider-Bot Glove. You're gonna see just what kind of upgrade the Spider-Bot Glove is gonna get when I upgrade it. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more content in the future, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell, and I'll see you next time.